Perhaps you're dissolving your business, moving to a new state, or you've decided to act as your own registered agent. Whatever the reason, knowing how to properly cancel your Northwest registered agent service is crucial. You don't want to leave your business in a precarious legal position, nor do you want to keep paying for a service you're no longer using. The goal here is to ensure a smooth, compliant transition that protects your business and your wallet. So, you've decided to part ways with Northwest registered agent. Great, but before you hit that cancel button or even think about it, there are some fundamental concepts you need to grasp. Understanding these will prevent headaches, potential penalties, and ensure your business remains in good standing with the state. First and foremost, a registered agent isn't just some optional service. It's a legal requirement for nearly every registered business entity in the United States, whether you're an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. The registered agent's primary role is to be the official point of contact for your business, receiving important legal and tax documents, including service of process, state correspondence, and compliance notices. Imagine a summons for a lawsuit arriving and you missing it because you didn't have a reliable registered agent. That could be disastrous for your business. This brings us to the core principle. You cannot simply cancel your registered agent service without having another one in place. If you do, your business will lose its good standing with the state, potentially leading to fines, penalties, and even administrative dissolution. That's why the process isn't just about telling Northwest registered agent you're done. It's about officially informing the state of your new registered agent before you cease services with your current one. There are generally two main scenarios that lead to canceling Northwest registered agent. Scenario 1. You're appointing a new registered agent. This is the most common situation. Maybe you found a more cost-effective option. You're taking on the role yourself, if permissible in your state and you meet the requirements. Or you're consolidating services with another provider. Scenario 2. You're dissolving your business or withdrawing your foreign qualification. If your business is truly ceasing operations in a particular state or entirely, then you'll be dissolving the entity or withdrawing your foreign qualification. In this case, you won't need a registered agent for that specific state anymore, but the cancellation process is part of a larger, more complex dissolution or withdrawal procedure. For the purpose of this video, we'll primarily focus on Scenario 1. Appointing a new registered agent, as it's the more frequent and nuanced cancellation. If you're looking to dissolve your business, while this video will touch upon it, you'll need to consult specific state guidelines for dissolution or withdrawal, as those are distinct legal processes. Now, let's dive into the practical steps for how to cancel Northwest registered agent, assuming you're switching to a new registered agent or becoming your own. The first and most critical step is appointing your new registered agent. This isn't something you do after canceling Northwest. It's what you do before. You need to choose a new registered agent who meets your state's requirements. This could be you, another individual, or another professional registered agent service. Once you've made that decision, you'll need to fill out a change of registered agent form with the Secretary of State or equivalent business filing agency in the state where your business is registered. Every state has its own specific form and filing fee for changing your registered agent. You can usually find these forms on your Secretary of State's website. They're typically straightforward, requiring information about your business, the current registered agent, and the new registered agent. Make sure to double-check all the details for accuracy. A small error could lead to delays or rejection. After you've completed the form, you'll file it with the state. This can often be done online, by mail, or sometimes in person. Be prepared to pay the associated filing fee. The processing time can vary significantly from state to state, so it's wise to plan ahead. Some states process these changes within a few business days, while others might take several weeks. Once the state has processed and approved your change of registered agent filing, you will receive a confirmation. This is your official proof that your new registered agent is now on record with the state. This confirmation is vital. Do not proceed to the next step without it. Now, and only now, can you contact Northwest registered agent to formally cancel their service. Northwest registered agent typically requires you to contact them directly to initiate cancellation. Their terms of service usually state that they will continue to be listed as your registered agent until you submit a filing to change your registered agent with the state. It's crucial to inform them after the state has confirmed your new agent, This ensures there's no gap in registered agent service for your business. You can usually reach Northwest Registered Agent through their customer service channels, which typically include phone and email. When you contact them, clearly state that you wish to cancel your registered agent service and provide them with your business name and any relevant account numbers. It's also a good idea to mention that you have already filed the change of registered agent form with the state and that your new agent is officially on record. Be sure to inquire about their specific cancellation policy and any potential prorated refunds if you're canceling midterm. While Northwest Registered Agent is generally straightforward, it's always good to confirm. They will then process your cancellation and confirm that their service to your business will cease on a specific date. It's highly recommended to get written confirmation of your cancellation from Northwest Registered Agent. This could be an email confirmation or a letter. Keep this record for your files, along with the state-approved change of registered agent filing. This documentation serves as proof that you have properly disengaged from their service and have a new registered agent in place. What if you're dissolving your business entirely? If your business is truly shutting down, the process is different. You won't be appointing a new registered agent. Instead, you'll be filing articles of dissolution for domestic businesses or a certificate of withdrawal for foreign businesses with the state. Once the state officially dissolves or withdraws your business, your need for a registered agent in that state is eliminated. In such cases, you would then inform Northwest Registered Agent of your business's dissolution or withdrawal, and they would cease their services accordingly. Again, the key is the state filing comes before the cancellation notice to Northwest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.